Hi, in this video I'm going to give you a little introduction about Tableau and give you some ideas on reasons why should you be using Tableau. So this is the main website for the tool, and then as you can see it's very commercial because it's actually a commercial product. But once you have downloaded and you're going to be getting an academic license, you're going to see that one of the coolest things about it is that it's very easy to use. If you want to learn more and start learning about Tableau, then there is a ton of learning resources that are going to be very helpful for you in here with videos and telling you how you can do different things. They even included a lot of things for doing data preparation, which is quite cool. And as we mentioned in some of the other videos, especially with Robert Cosara's interview, you can learn that actually Tableau uses some known research to actually help you choose the best visualization for the job, while at the same time allowing you to do at least some customization. You cannot go very crazy with it and start creating some of the most advanced charts, especially not in transitions and animations and things like that. But when you go into, for instance, the community here, and then you start taking a look at things like Tableau Public, where you can see some of the works that had been done by the community, then you can see that people go really far with the tool. Like for instance, these ones in here for Pokemon. One of the ones that I was just looking at while preparing this is this one, which is a force layout network, which you aren't supposed to be able to do with Tableau. I'm guessing that they actually did the data pre-processing before and then show the results later. Then they have been keeping on adding new features, and by the time you're actually taking this course, probably they're going to be more than the ones that we have available right now, especially in terms of animations. I'm guessing that they are going to go far with that, but it's kind of like my go-to tool when I first get a data set, because I can just very easily drop it into Tableau and then start exploring it. It's more than just a BI tool, in the sense that this is a visual analytics tool. It's a tool that allows you to do a visual exploration. It allows you to select parts of the data that you want to see. Has a ton of different tooltips where you can select elements and do coordinated views. Although, for instance, in this case, this one doesn't have much coordination in between the different elements, but there's a ton of things that are included in there that come by default. And as you can see here, one of the problems when you're actually creating these things, even though you can create them for the web, is that you get a little bit of lag, especially when loading, and also problems like, for instance, here in formatting and the screen size. But if you play with it and you know how to customize it, then you can get around all of those. The other problem is that it's a commercial tool, so it's actually quite expensive in a way. But I want to say that that price is worth it when you start comparing the speed at which you can start developing visualizations with it versus the time it will take you to build them using more custom-made solutions. So this is also a good alternative for you, especially if you don't have that big of a background in coding. So I would recommend you taking a look at it.